1917 is a 2019 war film directed by Sam Mendes and co-written by Mendes and Christy Wilson Cairns. The film tells the story of two young British soldiers, Lance Corporal Blake and Lance Corporal Schofield, who are given a dangerous mission during World War I. They must cross enemy territory and deliver a message that could potentially save the lives of 1,600 fellow soldiers, including Blake's own brother. The film is a technical marvel, shot to look like one continuous take, with stunning cinematography and special effects that create a vivid and immersive experience for the viewer. The cast, which includes George Mackay, Dean Charles Chapman, and Colin Firth, delivers powerful performances that bring the characters and their struggles to life. 1917 has received critical acclaim for its gripping storytelling, stunning visuals, and emotional depth. The film was nominated for 10 Academy Awards, including Best Picture, and won 3, for Best Cinematography, Best Sound Mixing, and Best Visual Effects. It is a testament to the bravery and sacrifice of those who fought in World War I, and a powerful reminder of the toll that war takes on those who serve. The first few minutes of the screenplay of the movie, 1917, establishes the setting, characters, and the central conflict of the story. Here are some of the key screenplay elements used in the first few minutes of the movie. Opening image. The movie opens with a shot of two soldiers lying under a tree, taking a break from their duties. This establishes the peaceful, serene setting before the chaos and violence of the war takes over. Establishing shot. The establishing shot shows the vast expanse of the war zone, with miles of trenches stretching out in all directions. This sets the stage for the dangerous journey that the protagonists will undertake. Character introductions. The two soldiers, Schofield and Blake, are introduced in a conversation about their lives back home. This establishes their personalities and their relationship with each other. Inciting incident. The inciting incident occurs when the general gives Blake and Schofield the mission to deliver a message to another unit, warning them of an impending ambush. This sets the central conflict of the story in motion. Obstacle. The first obstacle is introduced when the two soldiers are informed that the route they need to take is blocked and they must find an alternative path. This raises the stakes and increases the tension. Ticking clock. The ticking clock is established when the soldiers are informed that they have less than 24 hours to complete their mission before the attack begins. Foreshadowing. There are several instances of foreshadowing, such as the dead body they discover in the river, which hints at the dangers that lie ahead. Themes. The themes of duty, sacrifice, and loyalty are introduced through the soldiers' conversations and actions.